The Autochartist consecutive candles analysis tool alerts you to instances where an exceptional number of candles have moved in one direction, potentially assisting you in identifying emerging trends or swing opportunities. While each financial instrument has different movement dynamics, each individual instrument also has certain characteristics in the way the price fluctuates. By identifying exceptional quantities of candles that have moved in the same direction, Autochartist identifies statistical outliers. How do we do it? By constantly collecting and storing information about how instruments change and move across different time frames, we can accurately differentiate between small, normal, and large quantities of directional candles for each individual instrument. This means, for example, that Autochartist differentiates between how many bullish candles would be considered extreme on Google versus how many bullish candles would be considered extreme on Netflix. Furthermore, we are able to do this across all major time frames. So, if you're looking to identify statistical outliers, you'll find Autochartist's consecutive candles feature to be an extremely powerful alerting mechanism.